Now here if you see, we have captured few of the distances which are preferred. We can plan these things while doing our piping layout. If a operator is standing, okay, whether he's operating valves or instruments, or he's just looking at those instruments. So what are the various elevations we need to maintain, whatever are preferable, and whatever we can go up to maximum limit and minimum limit, we have captured here. So if you see here, between B and C is precise and frequent use and emergency use. Okay, if the frequency of operation is very high, then we should not go beyond C and B. Okay, C and B, 870 to 1160. Okay, if you go into inches, 34 inches to 46 inches is the preferred one for a very frequently operated valves. Maximum minimum height is D and maximum height is A. If you see minimum height 540, so that will be our range 540 to A. Maximum height is A, that is 770. So we can go between 550 to 1800. Okay, this is the maximum operating range while standing. Okay, again E is a 900 distance where operator can come and stand to operate within all these ranges. Okay, sometimes a person operator is wearing some PPE, personal protection equipment, so he will be requiring some space to stand and to move while operating the valve. So we need to provide minimum 910 mm space here for standing the operator. Same is the case here. F is the distance for standing while looking, when operator comes to measure the readings or something, he has to look at few elevations to read the level gauges or something. So we need to provide 910 space for standing the operator, because he may be having some equipment in his hand while looking at those things, or maybe he's noting down on his notebook. So minimum this much space is required to stand and read the instruments. Again we have a range B to D. This is very frequently, if a person is coming very frequently and reading the level gauges, then this is the range B to D. Okay, B to D, again 1600 to 1400. So this is very close, very preferred location, elevation where the instrument can be located. Okay, if you see, E is a minimum height, A is the maximum height. If a person is standing, he is it will be very difficult for him to look at below this elevation, which is E. Okay, so it will be difficult, maybe he note down the wrong reading, so it is preferable from E to A. These are the maximum limits. A person can come wearing his own PPE items with the notebook in his hand or something and get the readings. So we need to take care of all these elevations while doing our piping layout and while locating our instruments. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under our 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.